Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and wondered, who am I now? Maybe life hit you so hard that the reflection staring back feels like a stranger. The dreams you once chased, gone. The fire that used to burn within you, extinguished. But listen to me. This is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of your comeback. Today we're talking about how to rebuild yourself, brick by brick, step by step. So stay with me, because by the time we're done, you won't just believe in your comeback, you'll feel it.
Rebuilding starts with one undeniable truth, acknowledging what's broken. Too often, we pretend we're fine. We numb the pain, we bury the past. But healing demands honesty. Stand in the ruins of your past without shame. Own the heartbreak, own the failures. They are not your identity, but they are part of your story. And from these shattered pieces, we will build something unstoppable. But acknowledging the ruins isn't just about recognizing what's gone. It's about facing the emotions that come with it. The anger, the regret, the disappointment. Feel it. Don't run from it. Every crack in your heart tells a story of resilience, a story of survival. Let yourself grieve, because within that grief is the seed of your strength. And as you stand there, looking at the wreckage, know this. The fact that you're still standing means you're not defeated. You're not defined by what broke you. You're defined by what you choose to do next. Every ruin holds a lesson. Every scar is proof that you've fought and you're still fighting. So ask yourself, what did this teach me? Who am I now because of it? This is the foundation of your rebuild, raw, real, and unfiltered. And from here, we rise. Forgiveness is not about saying what happened was okay. It's not about excusing the people who hurt you. It's about releasing the weight that is keeping you chained to the past. Because here's the truth. Anger, resentment, and regret are anchors. They hold you in place. They keep you reliving the same pain over and over again. And if you're going to rebuild yourself, you cannot carry the past like a burden on your back. First, forgive yourself. You are human. You have made mistakes. Maybe you made the wrong choices. Maybe you wasted time. Maybe you hurt people, or you let yourself down. But listen, holding on to self-blame will never fix what's broken. What's done is done. The only question that matters now is, what will you do next? You cannot change the past, but you can take control of this moment. You can choose to stop punishing yourself and start healing. And then there's the hardest part, forgiving others. I know. Some people don't deserve your forgiveness. They hurt you. They betrayed you. They left scars that still ache. But forgiveness isn't about them. It's about you. When you forgive, you are setting yourself free. You are refusing to let their actions define your future. You are saying, I will not let the past control me anymore. Forgiveness doesn't mean reconciliation. It doesn't mean you let toxic people back into your life. It means you let go of the anger, so it no longer poisons your mind. It means you refuse to be a prisoner to what they did. So take a deep breath, close your eyes, and say this with me. I forgive myself for not being perfect. I forgive myself for the times I fell short. I forgive those who hurt me, not because they deserve it, but because I deserve peace. Let it go. Feel the weight lift. Because now, you are finally free to move forward. Who are you when everything falls apart? When the titles, the roles, and the expectations are stripped away, what's left? Rebuilding yourself means confronting that question head-on. It's about deciding who you want to become, not based on who you were, but on who you choose to be now. Stop defining yourself by your past mistakes or failures. You are not your pain. You are not your regrets. You are the lessons you've learned, the strength you've gained, and the courage you've shown to keep going. This is your opportunity to rewrite your story. What values matter most to you? What kind of person do you aspire to be? Start small. Maybe it's being more patient, more disciplined, more kind. Maybe it's finally pursuing that passion you've been afraid to chase. And remember, Your identity isn't built in a day. Every decision you make, every action you take, is a brick in the foundation of the person you're becoming. So choose intentionally. Decide that your past will be a chapter, not the whole book. Because from this moment forward, you are no longer a reflection of what broke you. You are a reflection of how you rise. Rebuilding yourself isn't just a mindset, it's a commitment. It's about taking consistent action, day after day, even when it feels impossible. You can't transform your life by staying in the same patterns that broke you. Real change requires new habits and routines, the building blocks of the person you want to become. Start by taking control of your mornings. The way you begin your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Wake up with purpose. Maybe that means journaling to clear your mind, stretching your body to shake off yesterday's weight, or simply taking a few deep breaths in gratitude for the chance to try again. Whatever it is, make it intentional. A strong morning routine creates momentum, and momentum fuels change. But it doesn't stop there. Look at your daily habits, the small, seemingly insignificant choices you make. Are they leading you closer to the person you want to become? Or are they pulling you further away? Every time you skip your workout, break a promise to yourself, or numb your emotions instead of facing them, you reinforce the version of you that's stuck in the past. But every time you choose discipline, self-respect, and growth, you take another step toward your future. And understand this, building new habits will be uncomfortable. Growth is not supposed to feel easy. It's waking up early when you want to sleep in. It's saying no to distractions when everything in you craves the easy way out. It's facing your fears instead of running from them. But within that discomfort is your transformation. Create routines that serve your goals. Want to rebuild your body? Commit to movement, not as punishment, but as a celebration of what your body can still do. Want to sharpen your mind? Feed it with knowledge. Read, learn, challenge yourself. Want to strengthen your spirit? Practice stillness, meditate, reflect. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher. And remember, progress is not linear. You will have setbacks. You will fail. But failure is not the opposite of progress. It's part of it. Every time you stumble and stand back up, you reinforce your resilience. You prove to yourself that nothing, no mistake, no hardship, no moment of doubt can stop you. So build habits that align with your vision. Create routines that make you proud of the person you're becoming. Because every day you choose growth, you are no longer just surviving, you are rebuilding. Brick by brick, step by step. This is how you reclaim your power. Rebuilding yourself is not a one-time decision. It's not something you do for a few weeks and then declare yourself healed. No, rebuilding is a lifelong commitment. It's waking up every day and choosing to be better, even when no one is watching. It's choosing to keep going when the excitement fades and the progress slows. There will be days when the weight of your past feels unbearable. Moments when the old doubts creep in, whispering that you're not enough, that you're wasting your time. But those are the moments that define you. Not the easy days, the hard ones. The days when you push through the resistance and choose yourself anyway. You have to stay committed, not just to the goal, but to the person you're becoming in the process. Growth isn't linear. Some days will feel like victory. Others will feel like failure. But progress isn't always visible. Sometimes it's the quiet strength of saying no to what no longer serves you. Sometimes it's simply getting out of bed when everything in you wants to stay down. And remember, you are not alone in this journey. Seek support. Find people who believe in you, even when you don't believe in yourself. Build a circle of those who uplift, inspire, and challenge you. Lean on them when the weight feels too heavy. Let them remind you of how far you've come. Track your progress. Celebrate the small wins. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, every time you silence the voice of doubt, you are proving to yourself that you are capable of more than you ever imagined. And when setbacks come, because they will, don't let them define you. Let them refine you. A stumble doesn't mean you've fallen back to the start. It means you're learning, adjusting, and growing. Every great comeback story is filled with moments of failure. But what makes the hero unforgettable is that they rise, every single time. So stay committed, not because it's easy, but because you are worth it. Here you stand, no longer surrounded by ruins, but by possibility. The version of you that was once shattered has become the foundation for something stronger. Every scar, every hardship, every tear, they weren't the end of you. They were the making of you. You are not the same person who once stood in the wreckage. You are wiser, stronger, more resilient. And now, you know the truth. Rebuilding isn't about returning to who you were. It's about becoming who you were always meant to be. But this is just the beginning. The road ahead will demand courage. It will ask you to show up for yourself day after day. It will challenge you to grow, to break free from the patterns that no longer serve you, and to stand tall in your own power. And when doubt creeps in, when the weight feels too heavy, remember this. You've already faced your darkest days. You've already survived what you once thought would break you. And now, nothing, absolutely nothing, can stop you. So take that first step, and then another, and another. Rebuild yourself, not because you have to, but because you can, and because you are worthy of the life that awaits you on the other side. This is your comeback, and it starts now.